Today we are shipping out one of our systems, the VELION. We will show you how shipping will be done, how we will install the system on site, and how we train future users to get the best results for their work. After arriving at the place of destination, the system will be carefully unloaded to get it into the customer's lab. This is the room where the magic will happen during the following days. To clarify the specifications which are needed for this room, our service people met with the customer already a few weeks ago.
Yeah, we are very excited being one of the first customers to use the new VELION system. We've been setting up a new nanofabrication facility in Münster for several years now. So far our primary focus has been electron beam lithography, and now being able to combine that with ion beam lithography gives us entirely new possibilities. And being able to use this new tool for long-term exposures and really a large area fabrication is really exciting and will be a new focus of our research activities. Raith is actually the perfect partner for us. We already have 3 instruments from Raith. In particularly nice is that the headquarters of Raith in Dortmund are really close to our facilities in Münster, so the response times are very quick, the communication is very fast, and there's a direct interaction with Raith, which is perfect. And we are able to combine these 3 instruments in entirely new ways, which is very nice, since that gives us unique capabilities that I don't think are available in other places in Germany. So it's the perfect constellation.
Now, as the installation is done, we can go on to teach future users on how to use their new system. That's it. Everything worked out great, and we could make another customer happy with this new system. Thank you for watching.